Hello true believer, today we're going to go through how to project geometry onto this truss. After we've done that, then we'll look at how to make the 3D shape by adding beams in between the two members that we'll connect. So to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to have our truss that we originally built, and instead of opening the assembly file, we open the part file. So from here we're going to start a sketch again, but before that we need to offset the plane. So from here we go offset plane, and we want to choose the different XY plane that we chose, which was the XY plane. And we want to offset by 100 mil. That'll bring it out by 100 mils, like so. And then we can connect the plane that way. So if we go back to the front, zoom on in, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start a two-dimensional sketch. And this is where I got stuck before. Instead of clicking on the orange area, you've got to click on the yellow line that's borders around the shape of the work plane. So we click on that, and we're just going to zoom back out. And you just got to click on each of the things by using the project geometry. So clicking on project geometry, and if you click on each member, it will highlight yellow, like so. And one last one down the bottom, and then you go finish sketch. And now we should have that geometry all projected on that separate work plane. So now we've got that, we can actually build a separate assembly file to the one that we built originally for all the testing of this. And we just go to new, down to standard MMM, assembly file. And now we're going to place that truss. Okay, so this is our proper bridge truss, and Warren truss, and we click. So now that we have that projected, we can connect all the members that we did before. So design, and we need to save this, first. Bridge. And we go back to JIS, just for the simplicity of what we're sort of looking at today. So under JIS, 6 mil, and we keep it as mild steel. So now, if I select all that, automatically all those beams should be connected. Now this is where it gets a little bit trickier. If we want to connect the joints between each point, so connecting the beams from this point here to this point here, we actually have to use a different placement method. So instead of clicking on the members, we're going to click on the edge points between the two. Okay. So the way we do that is it's a little bit trickier. Okay, so you got to try and move over the area until you can get the little white dot. Sometimes I find working from the other side or a different point of view sometimes helps. Let's go to this one. I'll come back to that one. Let's do this one first. Let's go okay first. Let's do point by point and see if that helps. Yeah, here we go. So we go insert between two members. Let's do all of them first, so let's get that done. And that one. Awesome. Let's apply that. So we've got all the beams of the original truss done. So now this is the little bit trickier part. And I haven't stopped the camera just so that you guys can see that it is sometimes a little bit trickier. So you basically want to sort of zoom in so you can see where the vertex point is between all of them. Alright, and we're going to go placement. There we go, there's the white dot. And we need to find the white dot on the other side. Awesome. So now if I move that up, yep, that looks pretty good. And go okay. So let's place that one. So now we'll go over here. And we'll go insert frame. Same thing again, we need to find that little white dot. Sometimes a bit elusive. we go, got him. Now you notice that this one's slightly rotated. What you can do is come here and rotate the 30 degrees, or in this case, sorry, 60 degrees, and that will level it all off. Okay. So now, if we go down the bottom, so we've got to do the 3 more down the bottom here. And same thing. And this time we'll go back to 0. And apply. And then back into the middle here. Find, and we'll rotate him 60, I reckon. No, 30. It's sort of a hit or miss with this, with how it sort of comes out. And we'll go up to the last one, and back here. Go until you find the little white dot, and there's the other one. Let's put that back down to 0. Awesome. So now if we go apply, okay, cancel, and then our bridge should be ready to go. Fantastic. Okay, so in the next one I'm going to show you how to notch these and make sure that the connection is appropriate. Thank you for watching.